All right, here it is. Here is the package. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here a special package from Google. Shout out to Team Pix on Google for sending out this special package to check out. This is the Google Pixel collection. Let's quickly open it. There we go. Voila. So we get this right here. This nice message from Google. We hope you love your limited edition Google Pixel collection set. We had a blast putting it together for you. If you like everything as much as we do, why not share the new Pixel 7 Pro experience on social? Definitely will, Google. Let's go ahead, take this off right here. There we go, the Google Pixel 7 Pro, as well as the newly unveiled Google Pixel Watch. I've been looking forward to this for such a long time, but this is going to be for a different video. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the Pixel 7 Pro and actually just giving you guys the unbox experience with this silver color. So without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so here is the box of the Pixel 7 Pro. This is actually the retail unit box as well. So it's very thin. On the right side, you see right here, Pixel 7 Pro. Right up top, you see Google. And then to the left, you see the actual Google writing. Just right here is the logo. And then on the bottom right here, you have like the IMEI and all that stuff. So here it is. This is the snow color, or AKA the silver, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a look. Very minimal, so I'm pretty sure there's no charging brick in here. There we go. Pixel 7 Pro, a much refined design. Picking it up, oh, that feels really light in the hand actually. So it does have a glossy black or glossy back, excuse me, like the Pixel 6 Pro that I actually have right here, and we will be comparing this in a later video, the both Pixel 7 Pro as well as the 6 Pro. I'm super excited, so just don't mind me if I'm having trouble speaking. But the first thing that I do notice is the camera visor right here is one piece of metal, so you can clearly see the camera cutouts, and I actually like how it looks. I think this color might attract the least amount of fingerprints. The gold or the sort of sunny right here from last year, I kind of did, but it was still pretty good with kind of keeping the fingerprints from being seen. But other than that, refined design, but it's very similar. So when you see this, you know you're rocking a Pixel device. We're gonna boot this up. What I can tell is from first glance, there is a slightly less curve to the display, and that's something that I can appreciate. So I will be turning on the Pixel 7 Pro in just a moment, but let's place that down. And let's take a look. We have a OTG adapter. So if you want to transfer files, you got that. We got the USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, Google doesn't go like 80 watts, 100 watts fast charging, but they do some really good, useful software features, especially. So they try not to solve everything with hardware, but go towards the software route. And either way, there's no wrong way of doing it, but then again, it's Google's way of doing it, and they do it really well. Then we just have some paperwork right here, but this is the box, Pixel 7 Pro. So let's turn the Pixel 7 Pro on, and I'll catch you guys real quickly. All right, so here we are with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It's all set up. Let's kind of just turn on the brightness. Well, I set it up, let me put it this way, I still have to customize it to my liking, but for the most part, it's set up. I did put the fingerprint sensor, so here it is right here. Just kind of my first impressions, it feels like slightly faster. Not too much faster. I'm gonna hold this 7 Pro in my right hand because only my right thumb is registered. I have right here Pixel 7 Pro. Let's try it out both at the same time. More or so, they're like the same. Let's try it again. I just feel like the 7 Pro is a little bit more fluid. And in fact, like just one tap kind of did the trick. Whereas the 7 or 6 Pro says press firmly on the sensor. So there is that. You're gonna notice a difference. We have to press firmly for the fingerprint sensor to work on the 6 Pro. And also there is face unlock with the Pixel 7 Pro. It doesn't have the extra sensors like it did with the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. It's going to use just a front-facing camera, but nonetheless, it's good to know that you have these types of authentications. So, you know, if you don't want to use your fingerprint, you want to use Face ID or Face Unlock, and vice versa, you don't want to use Face Unlock, you use your fingerprint sensor. That is there too. And by the way, check out this wallpaper. It's my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Illusions. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. 6 different awesome wallpaper colors. It's my absolute favorite wallpaper pack. But taking a look at this device, feels very fluid. Now it does come equipped with the new Google Tensor G2 chipset, 12 gigs of RAM. And in fact, let's take a look. I believe this one is going to be the 128 gig model, and it has 5G millimeter as well as sub-6. So if you're in the US, this will work with T-Mobile, and it will work with Verizon's 5G millimeter wave. And I'll also be leaving links in the description down below of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. There's going to be some awesome deals surrounding the Pixel 7, the 7 Pro, as well as the Pixel Watch. So be sure to check it out. You're missing out on 7 and 7 Pro. I'm telling you right off the bat, knowing from experience from the 6, I have really high hopes, and the initial reviews have been really well too. And I'm going to put out my review on the Pixel 7 Pro. But in the meantime, just check them out if you're interested. Nonetheless, the curve on the display definitely feels a little less subtle. It's more like you can feel the curve right here on the Pixel 6 Pro, 7 Pro. It's not as bad. And then the camera visor is just one piece of metal bar. It's still glossy. Kind of wish it was a matte finish like the Pixel 7 is. But nonetheless, it's just one piece of bar, whereas the Pixel 6 had multiple different pieces right here in the camera visor. But I still like this unique design. Display right here, it's still Quad HD, and in fact, you have to kind of go to settings to change it to full HD 1440p. So let's go to display, and if we go into, should be right here, screen resolution. So smooth display is on, 120 hertz LTPO display is on. It's just at high resolution full HD. So let's change that to full HD, and there we go. The battery, I think it's going to be pretty well. G2 is going to have some really good optimizations with the battery life. We're going to have to test it out. Pixel 6 Pro wasn't the greatest. It was like all right, but not the greatest. So we're going to try it with Pixel 7 Pro and see how that holds out. But I like this color. I really do like this silver Pixel 7 Pro, and I think it's going to go really well with the Pixel Watch right here. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to check out the Pixel Watch unboxing. In fact, I might have another extra color of the Pixel Watch unboxing video too, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. A bunch of videos are coming on Pixel 7 Pro as well as 6 Pro comparisons 1 week later, maybe 1 week later, but my review of the Pixel 7 Pro, I have a bunch of other videos as well in the works. Let me know what type of content on the Pixel 7 Pro you want to see. I didn't talk about cameras if you noticed, but there is some upgrades to the camera. You guys know me. I love Pixel cameras. I can rely on them, and that's really it. I'm not too, nitpicky about cameras on a phone. If it takes good photos, that's good enough for me. We're going to try out that new unblur feature, which I really like the Magic Eraser from last year. We're going to see if that improved as well too. I really liked Magic Eraser, but unblur is definitely one feature that I want to check out. But that's really been it so far. It looks like a really compelling device. $899, same price tag from last year. You can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. Just like I recommended the Pixel 6 Pro last year, I think that this is going to be a good buy. Google has improved in the right way, and they're going in the right direction. I hope Google and Team Pixel continues to keep up the momentum, keep up at this rate. Just follow whatever path they're following with this design and with their software updates, their hardware updates, and all that stuff. Just follow the same path. I think you're doing really well as pricing and marketing. Good job, Google. Good job for letting us reviewers check out their latest devices and be a part of Team Pixel. Thank you so much. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.